Hello and welcome to this week's Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 14th of February 2024. At the end of January, we went long New York cotton futures. And as you can see here, that was the perfect trade because we got in at around 85.74, I believe. Had an upside target at around 90. And you can see here that we went straight through our upside target, actually much higher. So that's why you should quite often use a trailing stop instead of just getting out of the market at a specific level, because sometimes it will just continue to go much further than you think it would. And you can see here that we are still bullish on this trade. It's still continuing to go higher. So what you could do if you wanted to is perhaps raise your trading take profit order to below yesterday's low, as an example, at around 90.74. I believe, 90.78, or you could cash it in now. Either way, you've made a really nice profit on this trade. Another profitable trade was our long dollar yen trade, which we executed back in, last week we did that here. We got in at 147.90. Again, perfect entry level. Since then, we've risen quite significantly so far to 150.88. And further upside might well be in store. So again, here you could either cash in your profits or let these run and perhaps put a stop loss below yesterday's low, or take profit loss, I should say, in this case, because you're in profit on this trade. So that's also looking good. And then today, what I would like to do is, after yesterday's hotter than expected US inflation print, the US dollar appreciated further as US yields rallied again, and as rate cut expectations by the Fed were pushed back to probably June of this year instead of May. We can see here the appreciation in the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, taking us above this key resistance area going back to the mid of January, and therefore that should now act as pretty good support. And I'd like to go long on this currency pair with the expectation that further US dollar appreciation will take us back up again towards the highs seen back in November. So this week's Trading the Trend is to go long dollar CAD around 135.45 with a stop loss below the February low at 133.55 and an upside target around 138.45.